Good morning. So I'm walking up to the beach. Shut up, seagulls. All right, they're doing a project over here. The state of New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection, Shore Protection Project. They're working on the jetty. This construction project is designed as a protective measure to preserve New Jersey's shoreline and to further improve our recreational facilities. All right. They've been working on this now for, I'm going to say, let me see, where are we at? I'm going to say a couple of weeks, give or take, maybe a little bit longer. Maybe 3 weeks. Maybe we're going into the third week. I'm not sure. But it's at least been 2 weeks. I'm thinking maybe 3. And look at all the big old rocks they're moving. Now, normally I don't get to see any of this because I'm at work. So since it's a Saturday morning, I just finished my exercise walk. Oh Lord, I'm getting sand all on my little sneakers. I said, let me get out here and actually take a look at what they're doing. All right. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. Just the sound of the ocean is enough to make you want to go lay down and go to sleep. I would love to one day have a nice big jumbo towel out here and just lay down and enjoy. Maybe have somebody give me a back massage or something to enjoy this, the beach, the sound. So anyway, they have this all cordoned off over here. You're not supposed to be over there where they have it blocked off. But I've still seen people coming over here fishing and stuff. But I don't think you're supposed to. You're not supposed to. You're not supposed to cross over because anything can happen when them damn big ass rocks fall on you. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Those rocks are huge. So I really wanted to see exactly what they're doing over here. Let you get that ocean view. I don't know if we're gonna get a good sunrise. It's kind of cloudy, hazy. I don't know. I'm gonna say cloudy a little bit. But anyway, they have it blocked off. They say you're not supposed to go over there, but I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer. So anyway, they have all these huge rocks. I mean, these things are huge. I guess you need to be to try to keep the damn ocean from coming in. And they pretty much have taken the jetty apart at this section. Huge rocks. Huge. I guess they're rebuilding it from this section. I would love to get closer, but I don't want to die because if I fall off in there, that's my ass because I ain't got no business over there. So I'm gonna err on the side of caution, y'all. All right, so with that being said, let's see if I could make it. Yeah, I want you to really see what I'm talking about. This is how the Jetty looks. I know everybody know how it looks, but this is what they've done. They just completely ripped this up. And I don't understand why they couldn't do this earlier. Maybe in the spring. They wait until the summer is coming and rip this whole damn thing up. So they limiting the usage of the beach. It looks like this is gonna be the whole summer. This job ain't gonna go away fast. Wow, I mean they really tossing these daggone rocks around. I don't know who this is. It says street department. I assume your ass must be out working somewhere. You sit here getting your beach on in the morning. Yeah, people are still climbing. They're going over the other end and they're climbing up over to go fishing. I wouldn't do it because they're like working on the thing. You never know, the whole thing might just give way. There's the sign. I guess danger. That's that danger. Danger. Ooh, hey, seagulls. Any shells out here for me this morning? I need some shells. Shrimp shells. Shrimp shells. Some shells. That's a pretty one. That's a pretty one. One day I'm just going to come out here and collect seashells. Make a picture frame. And actually display it prominently, since I would be the one that collected the shells for it. Jetty is closed. Cause they done tore that shit up. That's the what place is that down there? I don't know. I can't recall. Anyway, I wouldn't be climbing up on this mug anyway. Woo, look at that water coming. That shit actually surged. My ass will be running. Y'all know I can't swim to save my life. I will be running. I will be running. This one's peaceful. I just always look at this shit and I'll be like, if I get caught out here, that's just my ass. I mean, ain't nothing on the other side. Ain't no lifeguards, nobody can help me. Ain't nobody out here. Oh well. Like I said, I'm going to show y'all what they was doing over there. I'm not going to get no closer because I value my life. Have a good day. Alright, I'm back out here on the jetty. They ripped it up some more. They ripped it up out here with my sister O. And you see all the big rocks are still out here. This is a massive project. I thought they were just gonna fix one little section. But they've tore this jetty up like nobody's business. All the way down. Nothing but rocks. As far as the eye can see. Now, I'm past the danger zone where the sign said do not cross. So, y'all pray for me. So they guess they put these smaller rocks down as a base before, you know, they put the bigger ones down. Look how far it goes out. They've almost taken it all the way to the other end. Taking all the rocks down. They big machinery. Because there was a lot of gaps. When I came up here and they hadn't started the work, there was a lot of gaps where you could fall all the way down into holes. So they're reinforcing it, I guess, with all these smaller rocks. And then they'll come back and place the bigger rocks back on top. And I don't know, what do they put with some cement or something? And as you can see, it's not keeping the fishermen out. It says jetty closed, no fishing. Show you right. My sister said they not gonna stop these fishermen. They getting out here getting their fish. She looking at me like I'm crazy. Like, you gonna go all the way down? I'm not gonna go all the way. I think you get the point. It's all in these things. It's like loose. I guess they packing them down, packing all the rocks. But like I said, my footing, you know, it's still moving a little bit. But they're going all the way to the end, and they're putting all these smaller rocks, and then I guess they'll replace it with all the big ones back on top. We're at the last weekend, July. What's today? The 20. I think today's the 21st. So they got one more week in this month, and it does, to me, it just does not look like they're gonna be finished before the summer is over. So this is like a whole job for the summer, taking away the jetty. People normally come and sit out here on the rocks. The only ones out here now is the fishermen. Like I said, you ain't gonna stop them from fishing. You gotta be careful, you don't lose your footing. But I always thought that you could just fall down in here if those big rocks wasn't there. So this is like all solid underneath these little rocks. Where they put a foundation, how does that go all the way into the water that it doesn't move? It smells like a fish tank over here. Oh, boy, Lord. See what I mean? These rocks is loose. I gotta be careful. Fall and twist your ankle. First thing they're gonna tell you, you ain't have no business in their construction zone. So I'm gonna walk out all the way to this end where it stops at, so you can see the difference of the materials or what it looks like without them doing any work to the area. See how over here, okay, be careful, Teresa. You can see down in these holes, this is what they're trying to fill. It's like craters. You can actually get your leg caught in here. Somebody small might could fall in there. Obviously, it was much bigger that they felt the need to undertake this project of replacing and repairing. The holes have to be so big in the middle. The holes were so big. So anyway, I'm almost to the end. I don't know if they're gonna go. Was thinking they would do the whole thing, but I don't think so. Why would you start here and not start at that end? And like I said, difference in the rocks. I really don't want to get over here because I don't know. You know, I don't see as much rocks for footing. I'm about to fall over. Like I said, where he's at, you can see the big holes and stuff over here. They got all the rocks out. Hi, Cece. Tell everybody hi.
Hi.
Oh, you need your towel? My bad. Whew. You went in. How's the weather feel?
Bad.
Bad? You mean cold?
Hot.
The weather, not the weather, I meant the water. Put it back over my arm. The water is icy cold, right? You like it? What are you gonna say to the people? What's up? Tell Kia hi.
Hi.
Kia, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Kia.
Hi.
Hi, Kia.
Hi. Ow!
All right. Now you see what I'm telling you? How big those rocks are? All right, you climb one of them, they fall over on you. I already told you, aunt, 10 men ain't gonna move one of them rocks, they fall on you. And then she was like, they not gonna fall. Yes, some of them are standing up, like this one. It's standing up. You go messing with that rock, and it fall backwards on you. You're finished. You're finished. Look how big that rock is. Go stand next to the rock and be careful. Don't knock it over on yourself. Don't get that close. Just close enough. You can see how high up the difference. All right, people, I'm gonna end this video and put it with the rest and upload it so you can see the work that's being done.